Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about Google Cloud's latest AI and machine learning product, Gen App Builder. This tool allows you to create generative apps in just a few minutes, and it's perfect for anyone looking to take their AI-powered app development to the next level. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is Gen App Builder? Well, it's a new addition to Google Cloud's suite of AI and machine learning tools, and it is exciting because, unlike most generative AI offerings for developers, it offers an orchestration layer that abstracts the complexity of combining various enterprise systems with generative AI tools to create a smooth, helpful user experience. Gen App Builder provides step-by-step orchestration of search and conversational applications with pre-built workflows for everyday tasks like onboarding, data ingestion, and customization, making it easy for developers to set up and deploy their apps. With the power of Gen App Builder, developers can unlock a whole new world of possibilities. With access to Google's no-code conversational and search tools powered by foundation models, organizations can get started with a few clicks and quickly build high-quality experiences that can be integrated into their applications and websites. Combine the power of foundation models with information retrieval to find relevant, personalized information. Enterprises can build apps that understand user intent via natural language and surface the right information with associated citations and attributions from a company's public and private data. They can also fully control what data their applications access and the content or topics they want to address. Build multimodal apps that respond with text, images, and other media. Gen App Builder supports not just text, but also other modalities such as images and videos. It allows developers to build apps using a combination of text and images as inputs to find information across documents, photos, and video content, enabling richer customer interactions. Combine natural conversations with structured flows. Developers can granularly blend the output of foundation models with controls to ground answers in enterprise content and step-by-step conversation orchestration to guide customers to the correct answers. Provide the ability to transact and connect to third-party apps and services. Gen App Builder makes it simple to create digital assistants and bots that not only serve content, but also connect to purchasing and provisioning systems to enable transactions from the conversational UI and escalate customer conversations to a human agent when the context demands. The ability to intuitively interact with complex data across a variety of sources allows organizations to better serve their customers and deliver more relevant offerings. Combined with conversational and fulfillment abilities, the potential for improving customer engagement and employee productivity is immense. We're excited to see how developers and enterprises use a mix of these capabilities to power new experiences and revenue opportunities. One of the most exciting features of Gen App Builder is the ability to combine the power of Google Quality Search with generative AI to help enterprises find the most relevant and personalized information when they need it. With Gen App Builder, enterprises can build conversational search experiences across their public and private data in minutes or hours with no coding experience. Enabling multimodal search across text, images, and video within the enterprise is a key aspect of the search experiences in Gen App Builder. In addition to providing high-quality search results, Gen App Builder can conveniently summarize the results and provide corresponding citations in a natural, human-like fashion. Gen App Builder also automatically extracts key information from the data and enables personalized results for users. Want to get a closer look at the powerful capabilities of Gen App Builder? Don't miss out on the session at the Google Data Cloud and AI Summit, where we'll dive deep into how you can leverage generative AI to revolutionize your customer and employee experiences. Ready to take the next step and get hands-on? Join Google Trusted Tester Program waitlist now to start exploring the possibilities. And for all the latest news, updates, and insights from the world of Gen Apps, be sure to bookmark Google dedicated landing page. The future of AI-powered customer service and productivity is here. Are you ready to be a part of it? Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates from Google Cloud.